Tillman, Tillman, it's your brother Terry, man. What is going on? It's been a few weeks since I've called and checked up on you to see what is going on, man. The Genog family is out here concerned. We haven't seen you, man. You went rogue like your ghost. Where are you at? What are you doing? You ain't hitting the Mad Dog or the Twisted Tea, are you too hard, brother? Okay, man. Hey, just coming in here, checking up on you, making sure that you're going to show up here soon, man. We're expecting you to get on here and start talking about this stock. We're merged over. We're Genog, man. We need some news. We need some publicity here, man. What are we going to do? Okay. All right, man. So, hey, look, just want to drop by and put this in your ear to say, look, do not make me leave Maryland and come down there to Texas. And you know what I'm going to do, man. Don't make me come down there with a Twisted Tea bottle. Do not make me come down there with a Twisted Tea bottle. Sorry, brother. Just here messing around with you, but no, seriously. We need you to get on TV here and get a pump out so we can get the hopes back up. I'm here keeping the family spirits up with that positive momentum. But now it's time for you to do your part because I've been doing my part here since July. So, all right, man. I'll talk to you later. Peace. What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. That is right, guys. Had to call the brother up and, give him a little brotherly love, if you know what I'm saying. But let's look at today overall. How did the stock perform? So, Robinhood here is saying that we were up almost over about 3.25% today. So, not bad to be up, 3.25%. We were doing really good earlier in the day, man. We were up here at one point. We were almost up 7.5%. People selling out, taking profits. It dropped back down. We had a pretty good resistance point. We went back up. And then it kind of slowly sold back off. Ended the day at 21.14. So at least we still ended the day positive, guys, which is really good. So that keeps my hopes up that things can be going in the right direction. Now, I'm going to talk about a couple things here today about Golden Nugget that I think we need to talk about. And it's about the sports betting part. Guys, if you didn't check out the video, I just put it out about an hour or two ago. Go check it out. It's the last video right before this one titled The Sports Betting Penny Stock that I just purchased. So go take a look at that, man. I think that has a huge opportunity to be bought out by one of these bigger companies, whether it's DraftKings, MGM, Genog here possibly. And it would be a great mixture. They're a media and sports company, so go check out that video. All right, so the big news here, guys, is that you can see here that New York, Governor Cuomo supports the online sports betting in New York. So here it is. Basically saying here, because of the pandemic, they're falling behind. We know New York has New York faces a historic budget deficit due to the pandemic. So the current online sports wagering structure incentivizes a large segment of New York residents to travel out of the state to make New York sports wagers or continue to patronize the black market. So I think that, like I said, the sports betting is becoming similar with the MJ. So why not make it legal and get tax dollars on it, guys? That's what is happening here with New York. This is one of these states now that's saying, hey, we're in debt. We need money. So why not get some gambling money? So I think it all kind of works hand in hand. We get on here and look at this here. It says, any questions providing a research of the economy can be answered by the neighboring New Jersey, which legalized sports betting in 2018. According to Reuters, New Jersey saw a total of 931 million wagered in November. Sports books themselves recorded 50 million in revenue and 6.2 in taxes. Guys, if that doesn't get these states motivated to get sports betting, and as we know, Golden Nugget, we want that online gambling casino. I think this is what we need. As they get into, I think states are more prone to get to sports betting first. They want to see how that goes. Once they start getting in these monthly revenues of sports betting, they're going to be like, oh, give us the online casino as well. So that's what I think is going to happen. States are going to test it out, get the sports betting, then they're going to come back and say, give me the online casino as well. So let's get in here and take a look at the next thing we're going to talk about. All right, guys, here we are on the LegalSportsReport.com, and you can see the legislative tracker for sports betting. This is huge, and this is something we need to cover. Look at this, 2021 sports betting bills. There are now a variety of bills on file around the country, even some new laws on the books. Below is a look at the current legislation by state. These particular are close to having legal sports betting. So look at this here. All those could have some sort of legal wagering in 2020, which we can see here. But look down here. States with legal sports betting. These states have legal regulated sports betting industries. Arkansas, Colorado, Delaware, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Michigan, Mississippi, Montana, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Tennessee, and West Virginia. Woo! Why don't we just go on and make the whole United States legal and just get it over with, guys? That's what I'm trying to get to you in this here. So as the sports betting goes, it's going to go hand in hand with the online casino. I think all this plays together for Golden Nugget. Golden Nugget is in the sports betting. They're just not really focused on the sports betting. But I think the sports betting is the first step getting into a state, followed by the online gambling after. So I think this is a great thing for states to realize. As you know, I live in Maryland, and Maryland is not on the sports betting. But my friends live in West Virginia, can gamble right on the Hollywood Casino app, whether they want to do sports betting or whatever they want to do. So we finally just got casinos in Maryland like 3 or 4 years ago. So everyone back in the day was going up to Atlantic City, New Jersey. Then finally West Virginia got casinos, and people's been going there for the last 15, 20 years. And here in the last 3 to 5 years, finally Maryland decided to get casinos because they've realized all the money was flooding to other states. So I think this is why it's really important for us to keep track of which states is doing this, because I think in the future Golden Nugget will be in all these states. I just have a feeling that they're going to get in there, guys. We're going to get that Michigan, and we're going to get that West Virginia here very soon. Then we got those other states as well coming up. So we got a lot of great news. And let's get in here and talk about some of the revenues of Golden Nugget and keep up with that. All right, guys, here we are on the NewJersey.com online casino revenues, the monthly internet gross revenue report. And unfortunately, we don't have December yet. I know we should be getting that here in the next week or so. But let's go back and just recap the last 3 months. If we go here to November, guys, we'll scroll down as you can see. Here is going to be Golden Nugget right here. Golden Nugget monthly internet gross revenue report for the month of November. They did $26 million in revenue, guys. And this was signed on December 7th. So this next one could be signed here around January 7th up to the 10th or 11th I've seen. And it's Joanne McKenzie for New Jersey. Look at the year-to-date internet gross gaming revenue, guys. $289 million as of November. So as you guys know, I am predicting by December end, we will have over $300 million in year-to-date internet gross gaming revenue, guys, which is really, really exciting. So that is November, $26 million. Go back here and look at October. Scroll down here to our Bay. And the Bay here for October did $28 million for Golden Nugget. So huge, huge revenues. $26 million in November, $28 million in October. And if we go back here and look at September, guys, we'll scroll down here. Another $26 million in September. So $26 million in September, $28 million in October, and another $26 million for November, and December should be in that $26 million range as well. So guys, really, really exciting stuff here on the revenues. As you guys can see, I still got my shares here holding them out. I'm not going anywhere. It says the average volume was 96,000 today. So that's pretty nice. And it says the market cap right now is $818 million. So we're looking pretty good, guys. Looking pretty good. Like I said, I'm in this for the long haul. I'm not here for short-term gains on this one. You guys know this. I am Mr. LCA. Now I'm known as the mayor of Genoggville. And I'm excited to be on this journey with you guys. I look at it this way. I bought these around like July. So even if I have to hold them till July, I'll have that year and it'll be considered long-term capital gains after that point. So I'm not in any rush. I've already held them for 6 months now as it is. So what's another few more months to hang on to them, other than keeping my guys out here motivated and positive on Golden Nuggets. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you. So guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. Baby. Baby.